Welcome back, YouTube friends. I'm so excited about today because we are looking at house number 3. And if you've been following along, which you should be, you would know I've been touring new townhome constructions in Charlotte, North Carolina. So this one is a 3-story, giving you a little bit of different. And I'm excited to see what's inside, see how it's looking. Do we like it? Do we not? You let me know. Tell me in the comments below. I want to hear all about what you like or don't like about the house. So I'm excited. Let's see what's inside. I definitely thought this was a basement. Guess this is just the garage.
This is one of my sister's
Oh yeah.
girlfriend set up.
Oh, so.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is interesting. This is a big space.
It's a very nice house. Wow.
Like so it's one car, but I swear you could pack like. I swear, like I feel like you could like drive in and be like, all right, I'm gonna park on right here,
Yeah, you
and then
easily fit another car.
yeah.
Easily put this cars. 2 or 3. You should get the one here,
Yeah.
one here, one here.
Space. I was not expecting that. I definitely also was expecting a whole basement. I was like, oh, this is a cute little basement. Like a little bathroom for the people. Oh, I didn't even see it. Oh. Oh yeah.
Have a little grill.
Wow. You could throw cans over to your neighbors too, be like, hey, how are you?
Yeah.
Or scream out, which is, oh, okay. Oh, and also like with the driveway, you could fit a lot of cars in here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Someone's jamming. Yeah. I really like open homes. Whereas like you can be in one room, but still your spirit can be in another. You know? You're like, nope. Yikes.
Ooh. Oh,
Oh, it's rather tall too. Oh, this is the master? Okay, so this appears to be the master. We have one sink, something a little different than all the other ones we've seen. All the other ones we've seen have two master bath sinks. Then goes to walk-in closet. Honestly, it's not that spacious. I think this is likely the smallest master bath that we've seen. Okay, and here we have a second bathroom. Standard tub, toilet, sink. Here's where the laundry would go. And we have two bedrooms. I feel like I always get a better sense of the space in the room when the room's like decorated, you know, with a bed or an office, because this kind of looks small to me, but like when you can see something with furniture in it, it kind of brings it to life. That is interesting, like a little, it looks like a seating nook, to be honest. Interesting. We have not seen that at any other place just yet. And then here is the third bedroom. Again, kind of similar to the first. It's kind of giving me uncertainty about like what the size is, because furniture really isn't in here, but yeah. So this completes our tour of house number 3. We got to see all 3 floors. Tell me in the comments below, did you like 3 floors or do you like 2 floors? Which is your favorite for a townhome? Also, like, the garage was pretty spacious. Are you one to like turn a garage into something other than a garage? I know there have been some people who have made a garage into like an entertainment space or a game area or a bar. So you tell me, with a garage like the size downstairs, what would you turn that garage into outside of just parking your car? Yeah, like this is very different than all the other options and homes that we've looked at. So you tell me your thoughts below. I will talk to you later, but before you go, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and you hit that bell, because you're in the family, and family follows each other. We keep up with what we're doing, how things are going, so you want to stay connected to know what's coming next. So make sure you hit that button and I will talk to you later. All right, bye guys.